guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome for the first time. My name is Sojo Beauty and I create beauty, makeup and other random videos. I'm gonna start this video with a little shameless self-plug that I don't make money off YouTube. They demonetized me a couple of years ago, so I don't make any money from these videos, which is why I started a Patreon. So if you want to see more content from me, if you like me and my content, or you just want to support me, then the link is down below to subscribe to my Patreon. But anyway, this is part 2 of our haul. I recently went on a trip around Australia, kind of. We went to 3 different states. This is, part 2, so if you want to see part 1, go and check that out. But let's get into it. We've got a lot to do, so let's start. I got these super cute little pants from Peter Alexander. I love sushi, and how are these not the cutest things you've ever seen? So I've got little sushi bits, I've got a little wasabi up there. But yeah, I don't know, I just was obsessed with these. I thought these were so cute. And they were on sale. They were only 29 bucks, down from 80, so what an absolute steal. But yeah, just thought they were so cute, so I'm really excited to have those. I really do not need any more pajamas, but I could not turn those down, I just couldn't. When we were walking through like the Melbourne thing, there was this little stall, and they were selling little crocheted roses, and I was like to Kate, oh, they look really pretty. And so he bought me one. How cute is this? I love this so much. So that was very, very sweet of him. I got these undies from City Beach, the Playboy ones, and I just thought they were really nice. These were on sale as well. I think they were $29 to be honest, which is honestly is a little bit of a rip, but I just thought they were cute, so I don't even care. Love them. So I got them in pink, and I also got them in black. So cute. Yeah, so they were 29 each. 30 bucks, wow. Anyway, got those. I also got this from City Beach. It's this like hoodie, or like zip up hoodie. It's from Fila, and it says Fila 77 Speedway, I think. And yeah, I just thought the back of it was really cool. So yeah, I'm excited to have that. And I also got these shorts, you know, just kind of your casual everyday, just like easy to wear shorts kind of thing. These were from Factory, and they just say New York down here. So yeah, just got those. And I think the last thing that I got from City Beach was this top. It's also from, oh no, this one's from Puma, sorry. So that's the front of it. Just pretty basic, and then on the back, I just got that. I don't know, I just love a good oversized tee. I feel like they're, you know, they just make such an easy outfit. So yeah, and I thought this one was really cute. I got this from SeaWorld. I made this from Cade. We have this thing where every time we go away, we like to get a magnet to put in our fridge. So it says Fofo and Kif, which are our little nicknames for each other. And it's got the Rugrats on it, so love that. I got some things from Bath and Body Works. The first time I went there, I think was in Melbourne. I can't remember. No, it was in Brisbane, sorry, and then I also went there in Sydney. But this is the stuff I got from Brisbane. So I got the In the Stars moisturising body wash. I can't even remember what any of these smell like. Oh, that's really nice actually. Yum. Not that I need any more body care, but anyway, got that. I also got a couple of hand soaps, because now that we have our own house, hand soaps are the kind of thing you can buy, which is exciting. So I got one in Pink Kiwi Berry, and I just love Bath & Body Works hand soaps. I just feel like they're so cute. Yum, that smells so good. And then I got this one, which is Strawberry Pound Cake, and I love Strawberry Pound Cake. It's one of my favourite scents. Oh, so good. So yeah, got those. That was the first Bath & Body Works store that I went to. I love Bath & Body Works. For the longest time, we didn't have it in Australia. And when I first started working, which was like 10 years ago now or something like that, I used to buy them off eBay because I'd have to buy them from the States because, yeah, like we didn't have it in Australia. And then when it finally came to Australia, I was like... And then they didn't ship to Tasmania for the longest time. We finally got a Bath & Body Works in Australia, and they didn't ship to Tasmania. But they do now. But yeah, every time that I go away, I still like to buy something from there. It's hard though, because I love the candles so much, but obviously bringing candles home in luggage is just so hard. So I didn't get any candles this time, but yeah, I do really enjoy Bath & Body Works candles. I did go to Sephora. I honestly didn't buy any makeup really this time, only a couple of things. But from Sephora, I got some stuff from Way. So this is the Waycation Detangle, cleanse and exfoliate on the go. So this comes with the scalp and body scrub, the leave-in conditioner and the detoxifying shampoo. And they're all in minis, which I thought it would be good to try them out first, and then if I like them I can, you know, buy the full one. So this is a little scalp and body scrub. I've been wanting to try this for so long. It's in the scent St. Bart's. Apparently it's really popular. It does smell really nice. It smells like just like really summery. It honestly smells like holiday, to be honest. And then I got the little shampoo. That they are. So I'm excited to try that out. I've heard really good things about Way. And then the leave-in conditioner as well. I also got a couple more minis. I got the anti-frizz cream. So it says, too busy to be frizzy, this anti-frizz cream gives long-lasting frizz control and intense thermal protection. It says, apply a small amount to clean damp hair, comb through and style your way. Cute. Use with heat or air dry. So yeah, I got that, which I'm excited about. I wonder if this smells nice. Oh, it's got a thing on it. I feel like it does smell nice, so I can kind of smell it through the packaging. I'm shaking so much, I don't know why. I haven't eaten yet, maybe that's why. Then I got the hair oil. It just says multitasking oil that smooths frizz and seals split ends for a high gloss, super smooth finish. I want to smell this as well. Yeah, that smells nice. And then the last thing I got was a little perfume. I didn't know they did perfumes. And it's in North Bondi. And from memory, this smelled really, really good. And it's just like a little small one. It's 10 mils. Let's see if I still like it. Yeah, it's really, really nice. I don't know how to describe it, but I quite like it. It's really like fresh. I do really enjoy that. Kind of smells like when you're at the hairdresser almost. I don't know. It's really nice, so I do quite like that. So that was everything I got from Sephora. Then I also went to Mecca. I don't even remember what I got here. First there's something from Lush in here. This is the Super Milk Conditioning Hair Primer. I've heard Kathleen Lights talk about this, so I was like, whatever, let's try it. And it does, it smells so incredible. Yum. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Got this from Glow Recipe. This is the Hydration Vacation. It comes with a plump hyaluronic cream and the plum plump hyaluronic serum, and you get a full size in here, so let's have a look. So this is the full size of the plum plump hyaluronic cream dewy moisture / plump. So that's it, that there, super cute. Let's give her a sniff. Oh, I don't really want to, it's like sealed. I feel like it doesn't really have a smell. Oh no, it does. I feel like all I can smell is that perfume, so I don't know. And then we also have the little baby serum. How cute is that? Why am I shaking so bad? It's annoying me. But yeah, so I'm excited to try those out. Yeah, honestly, I don't know if it's just because, like, I feel like I didn't have a heap of time in the shops. Like, because I had, like, the first time I was meant to, when I went to Sephora, I was meant to be, like, meeting up with mum and stuff, but I just quickly ducked in there. So I feel like I didn't have a lot of time then. And then the second time I had, like, Cade and my nephew with me. So I was kind of, like, trying to, like, you know, like, normally I'd spend, like, a good, like, 45 minutes walking around that shop, like, analysing everything, but I felt like I kind of had to. Cade was like, you know, it's fine, like, take your time, whatever. But you know what it's like when you have people with you. Anyway, next I got the Glow Recipe Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blur Drops. It says pore refining plus blurring. So apparently it's like a serum and a primer, which is cool. So I'm excited to try that out. So yeah, can you either use it as a pore treatment or as a blurring primer, and that's what it looks like there. So I'm really excited to give that a go. I don't remember buying this. This is the, I don't know how to say it, the Gisou Honey Infused Hair Oil. I feel like I've heard good things about this brand, so it's just like, whatever. I saw it at like the little mini section. I was like, yeah, chuck it in. I got one of their Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in Pink Sugar. I've got like the Emco version of these, and I do really like my Emco one, but I thought, let's try, you know, I'm on holiday, let's try the real one. That smells so good. So I'm excited to try that out. It'll be like so interesting to see how they compare as well. I got a restock of my favourite. This is the Soap & Glory Smoothie Star Breakfast Scrub. And I love this scrub so much. One, smells so good that I could literally eat it. And then it also is such a great scrub. Oh, the person at Lush gave me a little sample of the Rose Argan body conditioner, which was really nice. I'm pretty sure this smells quite nice. So I think I've smelt it before. Yeah, that's real good. Yum. And then the last two things I got at Mecca, I ended up getting the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter because I love my MCO one, I love my e.l.f. one, and I was like, you know what, let's see how it compares to the original. So I got it. I'm really excited to try that out and see how it compares. So, and then the last thing that I got was the All Nighter Long Lasting Setting Spray, but this one is the hydrating one, and I think I did used to really like the All Nighter. I don't know, I can't really remember, but I thought, you know, let's try the hydrating one. So that was everything I got at Mecca. Next we went to the market and I got some phone cases. It says they're from Casetify, but I don't think they actually are. I don't know, I'm really confused. But anyway, the first one I got was this one. This is the Mr. Men one. How cute is that? I'm so excited. And then I got this little Toy Story one, which was so cute as well. Like, I'm just obsessed. And then the last one I got was this little Powerpuff Girls one. I just can't. They're all so cute. So yeah, super excited to have those. Also at the market, I got some jewellery. So I'm going to show you them now. Like some little knockoff jewel. So the first thing I got was this bracelet. It's like, I've seen these before, but I don't know what brand it is. I'm not rich enough to know what brand it is. But yeah, so that's this one. So cute. Then I also got this bangle, which is also like, it's just so cute. Look at it. It's really nice. I can't remember. I don't know what brand this is meant to be knocking off either, but I'm just going to zoom you in to show you these actually. That one. So cute. Also got this ring. So pretty. And I got this ring as well. And this is one of the ones that like spin around. You know what's so interesting though? At the market, these were like not even really fitting on my fingers. And I bet you it's because it was hot over there and now it's cold. But yeah, so it like spins. But I don't know, I just think they're really cute. And I also got this one from the market as well. And it's like the little Lord of the Rings one. So there's a bit of a story to this, right? So mine's silver, but... Oh, and also just before I get into the story, I just want to show you one thing. Because we spent like so much money there or whatever. Because mum, like my mum and my sisters and stuff got stuff as well. He gave us this little bracelet for free, which was really sweet. Anyway. So my mum and dad, their wedding rings are like the gold Lord of the Rings ring. So it's like, obviously when I saw this, I was like, oh cute, like it's your wedding ring kind of thing. And they were like, oh my god, you should get one as well. And I was like, yeah, okay. It's like a bit of a running joke because when my dad proposed to my mum, I was actually the one that like asked my mum. He gave me the ring and I went up to her. And I don't remember it because I think I was like 4 or something like that. And I can't remember, I either said like, will you marry us or will you marry me or whatever it was. But yeah, like basically I proposed to my mum for my dad. So it's like a little bit of a running joke that I now have their wedding ring as well. The only thing is like, it's because of like the inscription on here, it was like rubbing on my finger. So I'm going to see if like, you know, if it eventually stops, and if not, I think I'll turn it into like a necklace. But anyway, got those from the market. We went to this little cafe. We went to this other little cafe and it was called like Cafe Lost and Found, and this was in Sydney. And they also sold like rings and stuff there and it was so cute. So I got these too. I just feel like they're so pretty as well. So yeah, I got lots of jewels. And then also at the Taronga Zoo, I got this little magnet because obviously Kate and I like to collect our little magnets, and it's a little monkey. Is he not the cutest thing you've ever seen? We're so close to being done. Next I went crazy in Bath & Body Works in Sydney, so I don't know what happened. I went in there was heaps of stuff on sale and I was like, whatever, let's just get it all. So I got this little mini hydration cream. It's body cream. It's called Happy Birthday and it's in the scent of vanilla buttercream. And this smells like I could honestly eat it. Oh, it's so good. Love that. I got the shower gel in bourbon, strawberry and vanilla. And that smells so good as well. I don't know what the hell Bath & Body Works put in their stuff, but makes me want to eat it. I also got the gingham, which I'm really excited about. Like, I didn't know this was a thing, but like Apparently it's like Ginger Week at the moment because this is finally available in Australia. I'd honestly never heard of it, but I can see why people love it. It's really, really nice. I'm just trying to see. It doesn't say like scent notes on it or anything. I'd be really interested to know what it is, but it smells so good. I also got the Blueberry Abundant Cake body cream. Once again, this just smells like, oh, honestly, to die for. I'm obsessed. Also got this, the Strawberry Pound Cake body wash. Obsessed. And then got some more hand soaps. I got Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. So good. Yum, 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 yum. I also got Wild Berry French Toast. Also incredible. And the last one I got was White Coconut and Caramel. So good. Okay, so that was basically everything. When we were at the airport yesterday, I had a book sale on and I was like, you know what, I haven't bought any books this whole trip, so we're about to go home and I was like, you know what, I'm getting some books, so okay. I got this one from Lee Child, it's called Safe Enough. I also got one from Leanne Moriarty, I think, called Here One Moment, and then I also got one from Anne Cleves called The Dark Wives. So I'm really, really excited. So that was everything I got. I feel like when I was over there, I was like, oh, I didn't really get that much stuff. And now I'm like, girl, what the hell? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I should say these videos. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And once again, if you'd like to support me on my channel, you can hit the link down below and subscribe to my Patreon. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!